Okay, so just a little bit of a preliminary layout here, sketching this out. So it just has 3 letters once you get this rectangular section in, and again, straight edge will help you get some of the initial lines in there, and a little bit of the perspective tattooed right on there. So that gives you that section, and then the 3 letters, kind of placing them in there. It's got the Ohio City off to the top. You can kind of block them in here. So if you start off with a box for the letter, makes it a little bit easier than the Ohio City section. Same thing, just like arching, the type goes edge to edge, has this arch in it, and 3 stars at the top. Nice thing is if you can always extend it if you run out of room, and it just kind of places them in there, so you kind of have this same horizontal line for the stars, and you can kind of set it up that way too. So just to give you that initial layout there. And then as you come down, just take a look at the letter. Here's the Q. It's got the Ohio symbol in the middle there. It's just arching itself around the edge, so there's the Q pretty well drawn, and the lower part of it. B the same way, just kind of clip away at the negative space of it. And I'll come back with the sketching that out just with the inside, because they're all going to be on the same plane. And just do the same thing. Carve away at this part. And here's what I mean with these pieces. Just kind of keep a straight line going up there. And it's pretty much set up there. So not too hard to lay it out. Then the other section, Ohio City, do the same thing. Just find the letters O-H-I-O, C-I-T-Y, and these kind of have this arching segment down at the bottom, so you can go ahead and put a little tone up at the top, and just come down. Keeping it kind of square to start off with. And that gives you the Ohio City. Then just come at the underneath section and give yourself that curve. And just go back and round off the letters there. Block it in. And the same with these sections here. Just kind of give yourself a little bit of tone on either side. Help you see it. Just come back and show you this part in. You can always use the eraser if you missed anything. Curved. And again, if you missed it with the edges, just go ahead and pop them out on the sides. And then kind of take your straight edge again. heavy this part up. Gives you that brand there pretty quick. And out the stars. You pretty much have it laid out. The parts that have the circles, just kind of put an elliptical shape there. That piece, you can draw right through it with the light because it's going to be translucent. There you kind of have it laid out there. And again, just find the things that have the shading pretty obvious, the rectangular pieces, for example. And this one. Up at the top. You can kind of draw the light around the lighting. And just touch up the rest of it as you go. Try to find the reflections in there.